Magandang araw sa ating lahat mga kaboksing. Ihahatid lang po namin sa inyo itong naging laban ni Pinoy boxer Josaphat Navarro. At sa labang ito ay makakasagupan niya itong pambato ng Amerika na si Jose Casillas. Ang labang ito mga kaboksing ay naganap sa bansang Amerika noong April 24, 2026. So noong nakarang araw lang mga kaboksing. Bago ang laban, itong Pinoy na si Josaphat Navarro ay may professional boxing record ito na mayroong 5 panalo, may 3 talo, may 2 draw at may 1 panalo by way of knockout. Samantalang itong Amerikano ay may professional boxing record ito na mayroong 6 na panalo, may 1 talo, may 1 draw at may 3 panalo by way of knockout. At ang labang ito ay 8 rounds bout para sa vacant WBF International Super Bantamweight title. So round 1 po tayo mga kaboksing.
Yeah.
Ang ating kababayan dito mga kaboksing ay yung naka blue trunks. Ang kalaban naman niyang Amerikano na si Jose Casillas ay itong may pagkaitim po na kulay. Parang may pagka dark blue na kulay sa kanyang trunks. At mayroong white na halo sa kanyang suot na trunks. Samantalang ating kababayan ay silver po ang kombinasyon ng kulay blue na trunks. At sa kanyang gloves ang ating kababayan ay nakapulap, mayroong pulang tape. At itong kanyang kalabang Amerikano naman ay yung mayroong blue tape sa kanyang gloves. Good left to the body coming from Josaphat Navarro at tumama din yung isang suntok sa mukha ng kanyang kalaban. So yun, tumama po ang malakas na kanan ng Amerikano at tumama na naman sa katawan ng ating kababayan. So mukhang matangkad po itong kanyang kalaban, mas matangkad nga. At medyo malaki din ang katawan nitong kanyang kalaban. Itong si Josaphat Navarro ay nakatalikod at mayroon pong flag sa kanyang belt sa bandang likod. Good left coming from Navarro. Yun, tumama po ang multiple punch ni Navarro. Ayun, 1-2 combination na naman. Good counter galing sa Amerikano. Tumama po ang kanyang malakas na kanan doon. At ito, toe-to-toe po sila. Good to the body coming from Josaphat Navarro. So aggressive po itong ating kababayan sa round 1.
Southpaw is the Filipino. That's always concern when you got the Filipino fighter against the Mexican. You're gonna have the brawl.
So itong kulay pala ng gloves nitong Amerikano ay may pagka-silver may or may pagka-kulay abo.
Who's up?
So 10 seconds before the end of round 1. Ayun, good exchange. Ayun, tinamaan na naman itong ating kababayan, isang malakas na left hook ang tumama galing kay Jose Casillas. End of round 1 po yun mga kaboksing. Start of round 2 tayo mga kaboksing. At sa round 1 ay mukhang nagkapalitan po ng malalakas na mga kamao itong dalawang boksingero. Good start para sa dalawang boksingero. Ito na naman at palitan na naman sila. Yun, good exchange. At tumama doon ang malakas na right hand ng Amerikanong si Jose Casillas. So sa katawan po ang dukot ng ating kababayan.
And he's won 4 fights in a row.
So mukhang mas mahaba po ang kamay nitong
So it's
Amerikano.
career-wise so far for Navarro.
So advantage po sa kanya ang reach.
Better and better every single.
Yun
He's got a good one.
Good exchange na naman.
And this is a
Good one to combination coming from the American boxer. At may ganti ang ating kababayan sa katawan.
shots. Yeah. Casillas in his last fight lost it.
Yun. Big right hand coming from Jose Casillas.
And it's an interesting. He's a
Again,
fighter.
tumatama po ang right hand nitong kanyang kalabang Amerikano. Good to the body naman. Coming from Navarro. Hindi pa masyadong tumama ang malakas na left hand ni Navarro.
Gonna stick right. He's gonna stick to you like.
So,
That's where he's most effective at. You know, when we see Casillas throwing his punches from distance, that's where he's getting the best shots that he's landing on Navarro.
so mukhang kinukuha ni Navarro sa close range. Nabakbakan itong kanyang kalaban.
And Navarro's leading with his head.
Good right hand again coming from Jose Casillas.
I'm concerned for some headbutts this fight, but I think Casillas is doing a great job
Good one to combination.
to keep Navarro.
May ganti namang kanan ang ating kababayan pero mukhang mas maganda po ang mga patama doon nitong kanyang kalaban.
Belt on the line. Those belts that help you get into the big time rankings.
So itong laban mga kaboksing ay scheduled for 8 rounds at ito nga ay para sa WBF International Super Bantamweight title. Isang bakanting titulo mga kaboksing.
That's some of the things
So maganda sana kung
you gotta learn how to work away from.
mapapanalunan ito ng ating kababayan. Isang magiging magandang balita na naman.
Is just they'll want to get their punches off, then they just want to hold you till the red breaks them and then reset.
Right, or some guys plan just to, especially what is this, 8 rounds?
Yes.
Good right coming, it was left I think. Tumama po ang
If he's not landing shots,
left hand nitong ating kababayan.
all this little, like they like to say,
10 seconds po before the end of round 2 at ito na naman. Mukhang tinamaan po doon ang ating kababayan at napatras.
It's kind of.
yeah.
Yun. Parehas pong nagkapalitan. It was the end of round 2 mga kaboksing.
Alright, so it was a clash of heads. No punches.
Start of round 3 tayo.
That's gonna stop.
At nasugatan po before the end of round 2 itong ating kababayan. At base sa ating obserbasyon ay clash of heads po.
Navarro coming super.
At dumugo po itong kanang kilay nitong ating kababayan na si Josaphat Navarro.
Is you could use the jab, you could just move. Really, I mean, as simple as it might sound, a lot of people
So tingnan natin. Yun.
don't stand in place, take a step back or two.
Sunod-sunod po, I think tumatama doon ang right hand nitong si Jose Casillas at mukhang napapa
So just nice and simple.
Just take a couple steps.
tilapon po itong ulo ng ating kababayan.
I think Casillas kind of playing into it now.
Naghihidbang po.
There, and the more they keep, exchanging these little words or keep doing this little tussling, it just all playing into Navarro's favor.
Sayang at lumampas po ang mga suntok ng ating kababayan. Hindi po tumama.
The end of his jab. 'Cause if he runs into a nice jab and a nice stiff right hand,
So agresibo po itong ating kababayan pero mukhang
Or start
wala pa siyang masyadong solid na tumatamang suntok. Good uppercut. Ito. Tumama po yung multiple uppercut nitong ating kababayan.
Tito. Is it different because he's a southpaw?
Yun nga lang mga kaboksing ay may sugat na nga
something that is not used to
itong si Josaphat Navarro.
go in here and fight as often as they can, right? Because Navarro is the type of guy that's very unorthodox.
he's hard.
Sayang at hindi po tumama ang kanyang kaliwang suntok.
Some guys are unorthodox, and I'm
Yun.
guys, but just the way they're coming
Good left coming from Navarro. Good to the body again.
to get that timing down. And Casillas doesn't look like he's figured that out yet.
Sumukhang nawala po yung suntok na sunod-sunod na tumatama galing kay Navarro, lalo na yung kanyang kanang suntok.
And if I'm Casillas, I'm jabbing
Mukhang hindi ko po nakikita sa ngayon.
possibly can.
Why, Mike?
Well, I mean, you want to if you're in there in a fight, it's a fight. You want to cause as much trauma to that eye as possible.
make their cut man go to work.
That and I want to obstruct.
So patuloy po ang pagdurugo nitong sugat ng ating kababayan.
Looks around the corner.
Good to the body coming from Jose Casillas. Good to the body naman galing sa ating kababayan. At ayun,
Casillas count.
good exchange.
Counter that he did in there, he started to bend his waist a little bit and get off to the side. And I think that's going to be effective. And if he can,
So sa nakikita ko ay mukhang
there was a good body.
mas magandang patama ni Navarro kung close range nga ang bakbakan.
This is a good fight.
Hindi po tumatama yung kanyang
A little bit here.
kaliwang straight.
Yeah.
Yun naiilagan.
Over to the side rather than trying to just.
Sayang po yung mga suntok na yun.
Porta right here, knowing what the young fighters are all about. Even spot.
So I think kailangan na ma-resolbahan yung cut
DMG
nitong ating kababayan.
videos in Long Beach.
At tingnan natin ang galing ng cutman sa corner ni Josaphat Navarro. It was the end of round 3 mga kaboksing. Start of round 4.
Bet the round alongside Tito
So
Rodriguez. Mike's gonna go to that.
halfway na po tayo.
Say about it.
At ito po ay scheduled for 8 rounds para sa vacant WBF International Super Bantamweight title.
Right here. Crowd
So agresibo ang ating kababayan.
developing, you guys.
Tumatama pero nananatiling gumaganti po itong kanyang kalaban.
Tell you over there, Mike, in the corner of Jose Casillas, the teacher.
They want him to get a little closer with,
Good to the body coming from the Filipino boxer.
which is
Good to the body again.
affected area.
Tumatama po ang kaliwang suntok sa katawan ng kanyang nitong ating kababayan
Very,
sa kanyang kalaban again. Kaso lang na-counteran po doon.
said the last.
Mag-ingat si Navarro sa yun. Good 1-2 combination coming from Navarro.
The Filipino does not stop, man.
So mukhang nadidistract sa
Things you train.
mga patama sa katawan itong Amerikanong si Jose Casillas. Good to the body again coming from Navarro.
I tell people all the time, I'd rather fight the best fighter in the
So mukhang iniinda din nitong Amerikano ang suntok ng ating kababayan sa katawan.
behind you.
At yun,
Like you said, you don't train for it.
Well, that's something these young fighters learn, right?
hindi po tumatama ng maganda ang uppercut na ibinabato ng ating kababayan.
Garcia.
Good punches ang binitawan nitong si Casillas. Ayun,
Against a guy who's like 3.
good left naman sa ating kababayan.
And they look frustrated because they're not used to seeing that. They're not used to
So sa nakikita ko ay mukhang walang masyadong diin ang suntok ni Navarro. Yun, tumama po na naman ang right hand nitong kanyang kalaban. Good to the body. Yan. At pinupukpok po sa katawan
Go away.
nitong ating kababayan, itong kanyang kalabang Amerikano.
less than a minute to go in round.
Pero mag-ingat po si Navarro doon sa right hand na tumatama kanina ng madalas
Seems to be under control
sa early rounds.
that much this round. So great work by Bobby.
I think nasa round 2 po ay maganda po ang mga patama nitong Amerikano. Binibitawan po ng maganda. At talagang sumasapul po iyon sa ating kababayan. So far, mukhang nadidistract itong si Jose Casillas sa mga patama
Now we see some of that blood
sa katawan nitong ating kababayan.
under control. It's still going to bleed. People have this misconception.
At patuloy ngang dumudugo itong
High, right?
kanang kilay ni Josaphat Navarro.
Punch. There's nothing the cut man can do about that. But his job is in between rounds to make sure that
Good 1-2 combination coming from Jose Casillas. Again, tumama na naman. Before the end of round 4, tumama po ng maganda itong si Jose Casillas. It was the end of round 4 mga kaboksing.
Like,
as we go into round 5.
Start of round 5.
Well, that's what
At patuloy po ang pagdurugo ng kanang kilay ng ating kababayan.
you have. And now when they get to this,
At ang nasa corner po nitong ating kababayan ay itong former boxer na si Tipura
Guys,
na ngayon ay isang coach sa bansang Amerika.
two of those guys at DMG.
At ang catman nila ay nakalimutan ko lang ang pangalan, pero
Hats off to Matt.
base sa nakikita ko mukhang napipigilan naman ang pagdurugo, subalit before the end of every round ay naku po, tinatamaan po ang ating kababayan doon at mukhang natigilan.
and then a body shot from Casillas.
Real good body.
Tumama po ang uppercut ng Amerikano.
Or Lawrence King, you're seeing it tonight.
At dito nakikita natin na mukhang walang lakas ang suntok ng ating kababayan. At ito, good 1-2 combination coming from Jose Casillas. Again, tumama na naman ang big right hand nitong si Casillas.
Way to go, 2 more minutes.
At mukhang napapatras again. Tunatamaan na naman at mukhang ininda sa katawan ang suntok ng
Garcia's time right now is picking
Amerikano.
actually working perfect for him. Just because Navarro keeps dropping.
Mukhang tinamaan po doon ang ating kababayan sa katawan at iniinda niya.
Wanted him to get to that left hook. And that last minute, he got
At ito gaya nga ng sinabi ko a while ago ay nag-start na naman dumugo itong
Shots from
kanyang kanang kilay. Good uppercut at may ganti din naman itong Amerikano.
Bex that every time Casillas
At mukhang
for a bit.
ang Amerikano at mukhang halatang pagod na itong ating kababayan.
been down profusely now. Down that right eye.
I think it's safe to say Garcia's finally took
Again, tumama na naman ang malakas na kanan. Good 1-2-3 combination. At yun, naku po, it was a big right hand at ngayon, kino-corner po itong ating kababayan. Subalit mukhang
Notice inside
ayaw sumuko at patuloy ang pagbato ng kanyang mga suntok nitong si Josaphat Navarro.
Barlow's lungs have to be on fire right now.
So mukhang kontrolado nitong si Jose Casillas itong round na ito
imploring him to keep coming
at tumatanggap po ng malalakas na suntok ang ating kababayan.
set with the right.
At napansin ko pong tinamaan si Josaphat Navarro sa kaliwang bahagi ng katawan at mukhang ininda niya yun.
He just missed that right hand.
And the blood is flying here, Tito.
No, this is
So lumalampas lang po ang suntok nitong ating kababayan.
we got right now 140 in the building.
You got a pizza to eat, young man. Good left.
Yun.
Oh, next.
So nagkabangga na naman ang ulo So it was the end of round 5 at mukhang maganda po ang mga patama nitong Amerikanong si Jose Casillas. Start of round 6 tayo.
One thing that I'm seeing though is it's starting to get a little.
So mukhang ipapacheck po ang sugat
Cut
sa ring position.
gonna be. I think he's gonna be fine.
So maliit naman ang
One of the best.
sugat nitong ating kababayan pero medyo madugo po
Once you work on it in between rounds, you can get it.
At ito maagang bumabato ng suntok ang ating kababayan.
Look like they
So I think
now when he stood up.
maganda sana kung pauulan na naman ni Navarro ang katawan nitong kanyang kalaban.
There, that's a great way to put it.
So mukhang
You can't take that cut away.
And there's the blood. It'll
nakukuha ni Jose Casillas ngayon ang kanyang tamang tempo.
smart move, like you said it. Go right
So base kanina kung pinatatamaan sa katawan ni Navarro itong kanyang kalaban ay mukhang nasisira po ang diskarte nito.
Body. Well, if there's
Pero sa previous round, sa round 6 ay kitang-kita natin na mabibigat po na mga suntok ang tinanggap nitong ating kababayan.
fight, drink a lot, eat a lot.
So ito
It was a lot of
as of now ay sa katawan po
iron
muli binibira po ni Josaphat Navarro itong kanyang kalaban.
butter.
Yun, good trabody again coming from
Yeah,
Jose Casillas.
on the way here. And if you notice,
Left hand po ang
trying, but Navarro is not
binibitawan ni Casillas
off that center of the ring.
sa katawan nitong ating kababayan.
Halfway through round number 6. After you had a fantastic round 5 like your Casillas, does it give you a boost or do you learn something? How do you approach the next round?
Again, yun, tumama po ang malakas. Ayun! It was a big right hand ang nagpabagsak kay Josaphat Navarro. Sumapulpo sa mukha ng ating kababayan. So sana ay okay lang itong si Josaphat Navarro again. Short uppercut. Again, right hand na naman. So ito, nakikipagtututo po itong ating kababayan. Talagang ayaw sumuko nitong ating kababayan at talagang nakikipagsabayan.
That's a great
Naku po, itinigil po ang laban. Bakit kaya? Sumasabay po itong ating kababayan at nakikipagsabayan.
Navarro.
Although kitang-kita natin na
To recap,
mukhang
again in my daily
nawawalan po ng tamang balanse itong ating kababayan at hindi po maganda ang kanyang tindig. Pero bumabato po siya ng suntok. At tumama pa nga po bago itigil ang laban ay tumama po. I think it was right hand ang tumama ng ating kababayan. At ito itinigil na po ang laban. So pakinggan po natin mga kaboksing ang official na announcement sa pagkapanalo nitong si Jose Casillas via technical knockout sa round 6. At mapapasakamay nga niya itong vacant WBF International Super Bantamweight title.
He knows these guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, inside the DMG boxing ring, referee Ivan Guillermo calls a halt to this contest with an official time of 2 minutes 5 seconds of round number 6. Damas y caballeros, el referee Iván Guillermo detiene el combate con un tiempo oficial de 2 minutos 5 segundos del sexto asalto, declarando el vencedor por knockout, declaring the winner by way of knockout. And now, WBF International Super Bantamweight Champion, straight out of Maywood, California, Jose Casillas.
So ayun mga kaboksing, panalo po itong American boxer na si Jose Casillas laban dito sa ating kababayan na si Josaphat Navarro. At napasakamay po nitong Amerikano itong bakanting titulo na WBF International Super Bantamweight title. So bounce back para sa ating kababayan na si Josaphat Navarro. At nakita naman po natin na ginawa po ang lahat nitong ating kababayan. Talagang nakipagsabayan po siya pero itinigil po ang bakbakan. Pero kitang-kita naman po natin na pagod, may fatigue na po talaga itong ating kababayan. Pero ang maganda dito kay Josaphat Navarro ay talagang nakipagsabayan. So matalo at manalo ay congratulations pa rin dito kay Josaphat Navarro. Maraming salamat mga kaboksing, hanggang dito na lamang tayo. Para sa mga classic fight at latest boxing updates, mag-subscribe lang po kayo sa Hinirang Sports TV.